Now, ChatGPT4 just came out the other day with quite a lot of hype on the internet. So I installed it. I did the paid plan, ChatGPT Plus. I was disappointed to find out the data set is limited to September 2021, and there's no support for generative video AI. I have conflicting sites that are saying that the Bing ChatGPT is using ChatGPT4 technology for free if you were on the wait list, which I was, and it has access to current data.
Question: are you based on ChatGPT4 technology? Yes, I am based on ChatGPT4 technology.
So far a little bit disappointed by ChatGPT4. I'm going to show you some actual screen footage, but let me know what you think after checking this out and what is your experience with ChatGPT4.
To ChatGPT4. So this is paid software. It's about $21 US for the month, and I'm actually going to ask it. So we're gonna start off with a fresh chat. So in the top left, we're going to type new chat, and this is the ChatGPT Plus you see here. So now we have the option of going to the default ChatGPT 3.5, which is faster, but reasoning and conciseness are lower. But reasoning is super high on ChatGPT4. Speed's a little bit slower, but it's concise. So let's ask it the question: what is the difference between ChatGPT4 and 3.5? Then we'll ask it about Bing AI. As an AI language model, I can only provide information up to my knowledge cutoff date of September 2021. As of then, ChatGPT 3.5 does not exist, and I'm based on ChatGPT3 architecture. Okay, however, I can help you understand the differences between ChatGPT2 and ChatGPT3. Okay, and that's getting into a bit of a technical explanation, but this just shows you the limitation. It can't go past September 2021, so it doesn't even know what Bing ChatGPT is. So we're looking at the new Bing now, and actually let me ask it if it's based on ChatGPT4 technology. Yes, I am based on ChatGPT4 technology. It is the latest version of ChatGPT series of language models. And let me ask, what's the limit of its data set? The limit of Bing chatbot dataset is not publicly available. However, Microsoft has implemented some conversation limits to its Bing AI chatbot to a maximum of 5 questions, 50 in a day. Okay, but it doesn't say how current its data set is. Oh, here's another good question. What is the difference between Bing Chat and ChatGPT? Okay, so they're both AI chatbots that can understand when you ask them questions or make statements in natural human language. Both support a range of languages, though ChatGPT is more focused on English. Bing Chat offers a wider array of non-English languages. Bing Chat is available on more platforms, including Android, iOS, and even Skype app. However, it currently requires you to join a waitlist, whereas you can use ChatGPT immediately. Bing functions as a search engine, so the new chat feature can access web results and up-to-date information. Knockout punch! Microsoft has adopted a more advanced model for Bing Chat, which gives it the upper hand. And I agree. With those advantages, current data set, and wide array of languages, Bing AI has the advantage. So there you go. It looks like I'm lucky to be chosen on the wait list, because if you aren't, then yeah, you can use ChatGPT Plus to access ChatGPT4, but ChatGPT4 can't access current information. So let's go back to ChatGPT4. I paid for it, so if anything, I can save you some money if you were expecting big things. I think you may be disappointed that there isn't a lot that I personally have seen in terms of huge features that make spending the $22 a month worth it for me. So I asked it a normal question: can you create me a 3-day itinerary in New York? And very good answer. Actually, let me share the screen here. So a very good answer. It gave me a day 1 itinerary: go for breakfast, go to the library, go to the park, visit the bookstore, have lunch in nearby restaurants, go to Washington Square Park, visit Greenwich Village neighborhood, dinner at a local restaurant in the village. Yeah, very good itinerary. But yeah, it can't give me predictions for crypto or stocks or any type of current information. So in that sense, it's quite limited. But let's just say I wanted to write a blog post, write a blog post summary on the advantages of being a YouTuber, a content creator. Okay, top 5 advantages of being a content creator. Content creation has become popular and rewarding with platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and personal blogs. Okay, let's ask the same question to Bing AI, but it's a pretty short answer. Several advantages: content creator specialists. You have the ability to share ideas, reach a global audience. It was fast, but we can ask it follow-up questions. There are many paths to becoming a content creator. Okay, let's go back to ChatGPT. It's still writing. Okay, top 5 advantages of being a content creator: creative freedom, flexible schedule, direct engagement with your audience, multiple income streams, personal and professional growth, and a conclusion. That's wonderful. What is the best video gear setup for a content creator? Okay, let's go ask Bing AI the same answer. Best video gear setup for a content creator depends on the type of content. Need a good camera, okay, tripod, lighting, video editing software. Okay, very general. What is the best camera for content creation? So I'm currently using the Panasonic GH6, and it lists the Panasonic GH5 Mark II. This is the best overall YouTube camera. The question was, what is the best video gear setup for a content creator? So it's going very detailed here. This could be a blog post, actually. So camera, it's giving me some specific examples: Canon R6, Canon A7 III, Panasonic GH5. They even gave lenses: Sony 24-70 f2.8, same for Canon lenses, and the 12-35 f2.8 for Panasonic. They even gave tripods, mic, and lighting suggestions, and video editing software. So I would say ChatGPT4 wins here. Okay, so I got a healthy salad recipe here from New Bing. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT. Here, Mixed green salad with grilled chicken avocado. It's just more detailed than Bing AI. It's going very detailed. It just kind of picks some ingredients at random. Healthy ingredients: grilled chicken avocado, lemon tahini dressing, or writers or blog writers. It's still going on here about stock trading platforms, so I can definitely leverage ChatGPT4 to write some website blog posts. It seems to do a more detailed job than Bing AI. My conclusion is, had I known that Microsoft Bing, the new Bing, was based on ChatGPT4 on more current data, I wouldn't have paid for ChatGPT4. I was expecting the video AI generation on ChatGPT4, and as you can see, if we go there, there's only text input. There's nowhere to upload videos, or and I'm unable to create videos or images directly. But there's other ways you can get that done. So because of this is just I find limited usage for ChatGPT4. I probably won't be continuing my subscription, but I'm also lucky in the sense that I've got access to Microsoft Bing, which seems to have a lot more advantages over ChatGPT4. But one of the advantages is you could use the API for ChatGPT4 for other programs to make it intelligent. So corporations, I think, are using ChatGPT4. Let's just ask Bing AI. Snappy, Duolingo, Stripe, Alibaba, Baidu, ChatGPT-like services. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this stream. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Have a good night.